Welcome to Misoo English Coloring. Today you will learn 10 farm animals in English. Listen carefully. Repeat after me.
Lamb, lamb,
Aw, is that a baby sheep?
Yes, that's a lamb.
lamb, lamb. Kid, kid,
Who's jumping so high?
That little goat, a kid.
kid, kid. Foal, foal,
Is that horse very young?
Yes, it's a foal.
foal, foal. Kitten, kitten.
What's that furry ball?
A kitten. Meow.
Kitten, kitten. Puppy, puppy.
Who's wagging its tail?
A puppy. Woof.
Puppy, puppy. Gooseling, gooseling.
Who's following Mama Goose?
Baby geese, goslings.
Gooseling, gooseling. Duckling, duckling.
What swims behind the duck?
Ducklings, so cute.
Duckling, duckling. Pet, pet.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I love my pet.
Pet, pet. Farm animal, farm animal.
What animals live on farms?
Cows, chickens, pigs.
Farm animal, farm animal. Stable, stable.
Where does the horse live?
In the stable.
Stable, stable.
Let's review the words.
Lamb, kid. Foal, kitten. Puppy, gooseling. Duckling, pet. Farm animal, stable.
You have learned 10 farm animals in English. If this video is helpful, watch the next video to learn more vocabulary. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.